Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, this is simple codes, very simple code, and we're doing a password generator. If you don't know what a password generator is, it's if you're stuck with coming up with a password, you could simply just script all this code and it will generate you a password. Now, it's not exactly the most rememberable passwords, this generator, but it's enough to keep people off your Gmail account or anything that you want to keep that allows a password. Okay, now, the things that you could do with this is if you want to create a website that does a password generator, then this would work. If you want to add background and stuff, then I would try to use a different kind of scripter and stuff, like Xcode, Java, all that kind of stuff. Because Python doesn't I've been using Python for a little time now, and I've been trying to see if I could put a background or stuff, and it doesn't really let you do that, I think. So I would use Xcode or Visual, that kind of stuff. Okay, let's start off. So we're gonna for the first line, we're gonna put import string. Okay, import string. Then we're going to go into the second line from random import, and then we're going to go and add a star next to import. When we're here on the third line, we want to put characters. I think I spelled that right. Okay, then equals string dot ASCII underscore letters space add space string dot punctuation space add space string dot digits, not digits, digits with an S. Then we're going to the second line, the fourth line. Well, it's not exactly the fourth line, but if you know code, then okay, password space equals space, then two little fly things like this, no spaces in between that, then dot join, open bracket, it's okay with that, close bracket, choice, another open bracket, characters. They spell characters. Yeah. Then we just let the characters close. That character word close off with a close bracket, and then we just go in the middle of this close and the other close bracket. Okay. As you can see where that line is, that's going off, on, off, and stuff. Okay, and then we're going to put for x in range. Then we're going to do an open bracket, randint, another open bracket, 8, I think this is comma, 16, where there's supposed to be a space, 16, and then we have 3 close brackets here. You can leave that like that, and then we're going to go into the 5th line and print password. Okay. Right. Then we're going to activate, and as you can see, it generated us a new password. So it keeps generating new passwords. Okay, as we can see, just what it does is it's coming up with different letters. It's coming up with billions, trillions, who knows how many combinations, and it's just generating it every time you activate the code. So if I activate the code now, it's went through all its database and stuff, and automatically just comes up with a bunch of combinations, and it's just come up with this. Now, as you can see, it's not exactly the most memorable combinations, but it's gonna help, really. If you get it written down on your phone or something, or somewhere where no one can know, if you've got a bad memory or something, or if you just can't remember it, then I would suggest you're gonna use one of these for your passwords. But if you want, you can sort of let's see. Oops, change that C to an X. Okay, stuff's going wrong here. Sorry. I will put the code in the description, so you guys can have a look at the code, or just fully done instead of watching this video if you want. If you got a little bit confused, you can go in the description and see find the code there. Now, this was a pretty simple code, I gotta say so. So I might be using this code for my next website. Who knows? I might make a password generator website. But if you guys want me to find any more